amazing guitar we got here at the store. I mean, you can just tell it. You can tell it's old, and you can tell it's in really good condition. Matter of fact, it doesn't really look like it was hardly even played. You know, a lot of these old vintage guitars from the 40s, 50s, you can at least see a lot of wear here on the neck, but don't even have that at all. We're talking about a 1953 Gibson ES-150N for
natural.
Beautiful condition. One
single neck pickup.
Yeah. Really cool roller, volume, and tone knob. Classic archtop, classic sound. It actually sounds, we're using this Princeton amp, but just
even unplugged or not plugged in.
Acoustically, the only thing we've done is we've replaced these
tuner knobs, the old ones dry rotted out, gassed out.
Done. Comes with the original Lifton case here. Really good condition as well. And then it does have a
service record
straight from Gibson.
So it's got all the paperwork from, I think it's 1981. Solid service record. Had a little bit of stuff repaired on it.
So you can see there's a little rectangle piece that was repaired here, which it's funny why that of all things would happen, because it looks like this guitar was barely played. A little bit of checking, but not as a lot considering how old this is.
That usually happens when someone doesn't tuck their cord into their strap and they stand on their cord and
rip it out.
Yeah,
just rip it out. It's gentle there. Really cool old style. You got a little bit of curve here in this pick guard, but really cool. Let's just play a little bit. Just feel like you got to play some jazz.
Yeah,
when you're on this. Now, what interesting is that there's no, I mean, classic Gibson. There's nothing on the back as far as a serial number stamp.
It's all inside.
There's nothing. You don't see actually even a label inside either, but you do see something stamped in there as well. So very, very, very cool. Let's see what I can do here. Man, this is a great guitar. We got this one here, terrycartermusicstore.com, from one of our local customers here that we have on consignment. If you're looking for a vintage archtop guitar in really great condition,
yeah,
and what are we talking about? 75 years old, almost 75 years, 72
the rare
years
color,
older.
the natural blonde color. Usually they were sunburst.
Cool roller knobs, a single pickup,
especially the Lifton case too.
Yeah, the case, it's all there. So anyway, real treat to have this one. I enjoy playing these archtops tremendously. They're just fun to play. They sound amazing and sound pretty good through this this amp as well. So anyway, 1953 ES-150N Gibson archtop, terrycartermusicstore.com.